Quickly wrap text around an image and reveal parts of it using smart objects and masks. Right-click your image layer and click Convert to Smart Object. Select the text tool, choose font and size and type your text. Press Ctrl-T to transform the text and position where you would like it. Right-click the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Position the text over your image and right-click and click Wrap. Duplicate your image layer and move it above the text layer. Right-click and click Create Clip-in Mask. Hide the original image to see the effect. Click the Show icon to reveal the image. Add a layer mask to the clipped layer. Press Ctrl-I to invert. Use the brush tool with 100% hardness to paint and reveal the image areas you want visible.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Luxford Technology for more IT tips, tricks and knowledge.